Okay, this is Sai Srinivas from. I'm from mechanical engineering background. I took up a course in Edioda, so I want to learn data science. So I have taken a data science course in Edioda. So this is my first Python certification project. So I'm gonna share my screen now, and I will explain the project in 20 minutes. So I don't make my introductions lengthy. So I will right now share the screen and explain the project. So, so as we know, this project is all about the gym and the membership and the super user. Super user is nothing but is an admin like a guy, admin guy. So he will manages everything. So I have created everything in main.py file and one more file which is I named it as f. So I will run this file now. So Python main.py. Okay. Okay. After running, it will welcome me. Sorry for the mistake in the spelling. Welcome spelling. I was a bit hurried. So as I run this program, it will ask me whether I'm a member or a super user. If I am a super user, I will type 2. So after typing 2, it will ask me the password. The password is 8 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After giving the password correct, it will log into that. So these are the options I can a super user can do. So for these options include create member, view member, delete member, update member, everything. So if a normal guy, if a let's say I want to join a gym, I will just ask that super user guy to add me onto the gym online portal so that I can manage my profile and I can see my resume and everything. So right now the gym is quite new. So there are no users, there are no members, and there are very few regiments which we know according to the BMI. There are 4 regiments. If I want to create another regiment, I can also create regiment. I can create regiment, view regiment, delete regiment, update regiment, and a 0 is the exit. Exit is nothing but logout. So I want to create member. So I will give 1 as the input. So my name Sai is 21, gender male, mobile number 12345, email Sri something at the rate gmail.com. Right? And BMI should be integers, right? So my BMI is actually 22. Okay. And the membership duration, I want the duration of 3 months. I will give 3 months. After giving the duration, it will ask me the regimens I have to follow. So the first one is BMI based regimen, and the second one is celebrity regimen, and third is exit. I don't want any regimen for now, just for now. So uh, I will go with one BMI based regimen one. So after giving one as the BMI based regimen, you can see your workout regimen is created. After creating my regimen, it again go back to the system, and it will ask me to either quit or again ask me whether I want to take a BMI or celebrity. I have created I will quit. So quitting is nothing but 0, exit 0. After giving 0 is input, again back to the menu. Menu is the view member. I just created a member, right? So I will go to the view member. So remember the phone number. Where is the phone number? Because phone number is the key for viewing the member, everything. So I have given the phone number as 12345. Yeah, right. So this is my phone number. After giving 2 as input, it will ask me the phone number 12345. So I've given 12345. So you can see that you can see the exact details I have given above. So these are my details. And after viewing the details, I want to update my membership. Membership is 3 months, no? I'm quite determined guy. So I want to extend my membership to 6 months. So I will go to 4. 4 is update member. Update member is nothing but you can upgrade your membership. So I will give 4. So after giving 4, it again asks me the contact number because there are multiple users at a time, right? So I will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after giving the phone number, it will ask me whether to extend, revoke, or quit. So I want to extend 1. Extend the number of months to be extended. I want to extend it by 3 months. I have 3 months and I want to extend it by 3 months. So totally 6 months, right? I will give 3. So after giving the 3 months, your membership extended by 3 months. Okay. It printed the statement your membership extended by 3 months. But I want to re-verify. So I will go to view member 2 and I will again enter the contact number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So after giving the details, you can see the membership has been updated. It is now 6 months now. So everything is fine. Now, all of a sudden, this Sai guy want to quit this. Uh, uh, all of a sudden, he disappeared. We don't know. He didn't enter the membership, but he just disappeared. So as a owner, I don't want to waste the space for that guy. So I will delete that member. So I will go into 3. So after going into the 3, it will again ask me the contact number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. So after giving the input, the member has been deleted. So I will again re-verify. I will go to the view member 2. So after giving the 2, you can see there are no members in this gym because you initially also there are 0 members in the gym. And I have added one guy that is Sai. But I want to delete it. I want to delete him. I deleted it. And again, the number of members is 0, back to 0. Okay. I want to create regimens for now. So for creating regimen, I have to go to 5. So 5, enter the title of the new workout regimen. I want to build a regimen which gives the people like Hrithik Roshan body or Salman Khan body. I'll give the title as Salman. Salman. Okay. What is the workout for Monday? Cardio, maybe. Tuesday, legs. Wednesday, chest. Thursday, abs. Friday, what else? Shoulder. And sorry for the spelling mistake. Saturday, arms. Sunday, what left? What left? Biceps or triceps, maybe. Okay. Okay. The regimen has been created, but I want to view the regimen. So for viewing the regimen, 6 is the option. So I will go to the 6. So for, as I said earlier, there are 2 kinds of regimens. One is BMI based regimen, and the other is celebrity regimens. BMI based regimen, when I create a member, it will ask me whether to give that guy BMI based regimen or celebrity regimen. If I choose one in that creating at that time, it will take the BMI regimen, which is according to his BMI BM. And celebrity regimen is the customized regimen. Initially, it was nothing. I mean, initially there are no customized regimens, but I have created Salman right now. So I will go to the celebrity regimens to view. So 2. So in celebrity regimens, there is Salman, which I was just created. Salman. Enter the regimen name to view. Salman is the only guy, only Salman. So after giving the Salman as input, it will print out the regimen. So which was created just now. Okay. So I want to quit now. 0. Okay. So everything is fine. I saw the regimen. I saw the regimen. I created the regimen, but I want to delete the regimen. See, the creating and the deleting regimen is only, it can only be done on the celebrity regimens because the BMI based regimen is the default regimen. So if a guy want to work out, by default he will get the BMI based regimens. So 7 is a delete regimen. 7. So there is only one regimen which is a celebrity. There is only one regimen in Salman regimen, and in celebrity regimen, which is Salman. So I will delete that now. Salman. Okay, the regimen has been deleted. I want to see the resume again, whether it is deleted or not. So for viewing resume, I will give 6 as the input. So there are two resumes, so we know that two. And again, we can see Salman. Oh, what's the problem? Okay, let's go into the Salman, whether it is empty or the previous one, Salman. Okay, the resume has been deleted. Okay, clear. I have created I have just now deleted the resume, right? Again, it again showed me that resume has been deleted. Okay, everything is fine now. Everything is working exactly what at that intent. So I want to update the resume now. So for updating, we can update any resume, even it is a BMI based resume or the celebrity resume. I can update anything. So it is the resume, update resume. So again, there are two. For now, there is only one because the celebrity resume is empty, completely empty. BMI resume is the only thing one. So as I said, there are four kinds of resume in the BMI based resume, right? According it is according to the BMI range. If the BMI is between 0 to 18.5, it will as the first kind of resume. If the BMI is between 18.5 to 25, it will have the guy should the guy will have the second kind of resume. And there is four categories: 0 to 18.5, 18.5 to 25, 25 to 30, and above 30. So I want to change the resume for guys who have more than 30. So I will give 35, 32. Okay, for 32, that means the range is 32 means I'm gonna update the resume which followed by the BMI, which followed by the guys who has more than 30. Okay, so for guys more than 30, I will give cardio, everyday cardio, and 2 days legs. Okay, and legs. Okay, fine. And now I want to quit. So I want to view resume now. 6. I want to view BMI resumes, which I just now updated, right? So BMI resume. So enter the BMI value 30, more than 30, 35. You can see for the guy who has for BMI more than 30, this is the new resume because I have just updated the resume, right? So this is the new resume. Okay, I want to quit now. Again, I want to quit. I'm back to the opening page. So till now I am in the super user mode. Now I want to go into the member. There is only one member right now, who is that guy Sai. Yeah, one. If your number doesn't exist in the database, it will again go back to the menu. Okay, fine. I know the number and the number is there. Please enter the contact number. The contact number is 12345, right? Yeah. After giving the contact number, sorry, this number doesn't exist on our database. Why? Because did I just deleted that Sai guy? I think I deleted that guy. Yeah, I deleted that guy, right? Okay, no problem. I can again create a member. Okay, password 8 stars 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I will create that guy. Name Sai is 22. Sorry, 2. Okay, no problem. Mail, mobile number 12345. Mail ID Sri at the rate @yoda.com. Okay, BMI 16. Membership 2-year guy want to go for gym. Membership duration in months 6 months. Okay, BMI based resume. Okay, I want to quit for now. Okay, again I want to quit because I want to log into that member thing. So now I want to go into that member. So the contact number 12345. Okay, it the contact number is there, and you can see for one regiment to my profile and zero for exit. I want to see the regiment. And the guy Sai as the BMI is 16. That means he will have first regiment for for guys who have the BMI between 0 to 18.5. They have same kind of workout regimen. So what's my regiment one? So this guy has this workout regimen. Okay. He want to check these details. I mean, his personal details too. So yeah, name, size, to everything is fine. Okay, I want to quit now. Quit. Again, it came back to the opening page. Again, I want to get out of that website. Okay, everything is fine. The program is closed. Everything is fine. When so when I want to again run the file, it will again start from scratch, because and if it again starts from the scratch. So every time you run a program, the members, there are no members, there will be no members, there will be no customized regiments, and there will be only default regiments, and the super user have to create everything for that. So this is my code. So I want to explain I want to explain the code now. Okay, my.py. Okay, so I will explain it very briefly, because if I explain line by line, it will take me it will take hours to explain it. So I have created one defined function which is gym membership. When we run gym membership function, it will print this welcome to Eduda, everything. And after printing that, it will ask me whether I am a member, super user, or exit. So if I give one as the input, it will take one as the input, and it will call the member function. The member function is defined in the below. And if I give two as the input, it will call the super user function. And I have created everything such that even if you give anything other input apart from 0, 1, 2, it will again take back to that input thing, because I kept everything in a while loop. If the input if the given input is valid, it comes out of the while loop. You can see this while loop. So even if I give the A or B as input, it won't take the input. It should satisfy the condition such that the input should be either 0, 1, 2. Such that, so if 1 is the input, it will go to the member thing. It will, if 2 is the input, it will go to the super guy, super user. If the 0 is input, it will come out of the loop. That means it will come out of that gym membership function. So as I said, I have created one or two more functions: super user and the member. And super user, it will ask me the password, right? The password is nothing but 8 stars. Where is the password? In super user, it will print welcome boss, and after that it will actually you can give anything for that. Okay, sorry, 1 second, I have to update this. For now I will give only 6 stars, because 8 stars is too much. Okay, the super user, it will ask for the password. 1 second, sorry. Okay, this is correct only. In the gym membership, it will ask for the password. If it satisfies the password, it will call this super user function. So in super user, we know that we can do 8 kind of functions: create member, view member, delete member. So for every function, I have created one more function, which I kept in a single big file. And in member, there are 2 functions. The first function which will print the resume, and the second function which will print out the personal details. So this is the super user function, and this is the member function. So these 10 functions, this entire 10 functions I have placed in one more file, which is kept in this module folder. So this init function, this init file is nothing but in this init file I have a list called all. So whatever the file name I keep in that all list, it will import to the main.py. This is the f.py. Uh, this f.py is like the core of this project, because every data, every single detail is lies in this this f.py file. So there are many functions, because there are 8 functions for the super user and 2 functions for the member. So for everything, this is the main, this is the core file of the core thing for the project. The first thing is the create member function. So in this, it will take the input of the user. It will take the details of the user. After giving the details, it will ask me. It will ask the user if he wants the BMI based regimen or the celebrity based regimen. So this is the loop for that, and uh, this is the collection of the data. So and uh, after that define view member. So this function helps us to view the details of the members. These functions are only for the super user. Member guy can't even see these functions, can't even use these functions. These functions are all only for the super user. So in view member, if I give the input contact number as the input, it will check whether that contact is present in the users list or not. If the contact is present in the users list, it will print out the details of that. Okay. And in delete member, this as I said earlier, these are all for the super user. Delete member, it will again ask me the it will again ask the super user for the contact number. After giving the contact number, it checks whether that contact number is present in the users dictionary or not. If it is present in the users dictionary, it will completely erase that information. uh, That will completely erase the information. Update member is only for the it is only to extend the membership or to revoke the membership. Apart from that, there is nothing much with the update member. But there is for that simple thing, I have to write this much code. So because if I call the update member, it will ask the contact number first. After giving the contact number, it will check whether that number is present in the database or not. If the number is present in the database, it will ask the user to whether if we want to extend or the revoke. If we want to extend the membership, it will again ask the user to extend it by how many months, 1 month or 2 months or 3 months. Okay, I'll give the user want to extend by 3 months. So super user want to extend it by 3 months. So after giving the input, that data should be updated in the users. That data should be updated in the users personal details. So after updating this, if I want to view the if I have to view the member details, it should print the latest updated detail. So this is the function which will extend the membership or the revoke the membership. Okay, this is fine. And the create regimen. Create regimen, as I said earlier, create regimen is for the celebrity based regimen. It will don't change any. It will don't create. So there are 4 default based regimens which are a BMI based. So the create regimen is completely different thing. It's a celebrity based. So it will ask the title of the regimen. If you want to if you want to create a Salman Khan regimen, he will give Salman as the title, and he will give the workouts for every single day in a week. After creating a regimen, you can view the regimen. But creating a regimen is only for the customized regimen or let's say celebrity regimen. But when I am coming to the view regimen, uh, the super user uh, can view both the BMI based regimens and what celebrity based regimens as well. So this is the function for the view regimen. So delete regimen. Delete regimen is again, as I said, we can't change anything. I mean, I can't delete BMI based regimens. I can only delete celebrity regimens, but I can update BMI based regimens. So when coming to the delete regimen, it will ask, it will print out the regimens in celebrity dictionary. So if I want to delete Salman Khan regimen, I will give Salman as input. It will delete the Salman regimen. So in update regimen, we can update any regimen. Either it like either it belongs to BMI based or celebrity based. We can update both. So if it is BMI based, so this is these are for the updating BMI based. If it is the new regimen, if it is the celebrity based regimen, this is the loop for the this code is for the celebrity based regimen. And this defined regimen is for when this defined regimen helps us to assigning the workout regimen for the members. During the creation of members, it will ask if a user want to BMI based or celebrity based, right? If he chooses for BMI based, yeah, that create member function calls this function. This function helps us to assign the user. If his BMI is less than 18.5, it will assign this regimen. If his BMI is between 18.5 and 25, and this is the regimen. So this is my code. I mean, this is very brief explanation. If I have to explain line by line, it will take hours. But the condition is that the maximum length of the video should be 20 minutes. I think I have crossed that as well. So yeah, this is Srinivas. I will keep posting the videos of my personal projects, everything in my YouTube channel. So link is in the, I mean, code is in the description. So my GitHub profile is in the description. So if you want to check out the code, you can see the code. Okay, I will stop the recording now.